A massive search has been launched for a missing university student from Hanover. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and I'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The search is set to resume this morning for a 27-year-old university student that disappeared from her home on Christmas morning. A massive search is on the way at a gated community of Orchard in Hopewell, Hanover, for a 27-year-old university student who went missing on Saturday morning. Missing is Shalene Evans, a University of the West Indies student from the community of Clifton in Hanover. She went missing shortly after 7 a.m. on Christmas Day. The young woman was reportedly visiting her child's father in Orchard when she ran from the house. It is reported that the young woman last had a conversation with her father on the phone, asking him to come and get her. The search ended on Saturday night and resumed on Sunday morning with relatives and members of the community searching for the missing 27-year-old student. The police also assisted in the search but reportedly received little support from the community members. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. This is Billings 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.